Hello everyone, let's look at the third video, the third step of this whole prediction. So we have done the exploratory data analysis in one video, another video about the modeling. We evaluated model performance. It's around like 81% right now. Then the third step what we're trying to do is, after we did all of that, the final thing we need to do is the prediction. Okay, let's get right into the coding. First of all, we know that we have the model ready, and this is the data we have. Okay, it's a scaled define X unlabeled. If we check the shape of the data, it's 418 rows, right? That's something we need to predict. The next thing we want to do is we use this formula. Let me just type it again. Y predict equals to model name predict, and the parameter we have is this, is the X. So with the X and with the model, we are now having the predicted Y. Sorry, just need to remove this guy. Okay, let's check the predicted value. It's supposed to be 418. Okay, so Y predict dot shape 418. Now what we need to do, it's good that we have the Y predict. If we can put it back with the X variable, that'll be good. So with that, I recreated a new data frame called DFUL updated for us to put our new information there. Now you can see, right? So we have the 7 variables, right? We have the category, we have the survive. Right now it's nothing. So what we just need to do is update this. This is a new data frame, right? In the new data frame, we have this survived column. I will let it equal to Y predict. Okay, so this is updating. Now let's check again. What is this now? Okay, so now you can see we have survived, unsurvived, everything included. Reset index for the new column. We need to do this because right now it's AA9 to this, because eventually I want to put in a submission. It's better that our index are aligned. So how do we do this? We just do reset index. Okay. Okay. Reset index. Reset index. Sorry, there's a reset underscore index. And let's create a new data frame called DFUL updated. DFUL reindex. Okay, this one is gonna be, index will be reset. And then we go here, let's check it again after the reindex. What does it look like? So we have the 1 to 418, well, 418 rows. Then we have the old index, which, yeah. So now we have all the information we need, survived, everything. Now the final thing is, when we submit our data to Kaggle, they don't want all of this information. All they need is the 2 columns, the passenger IDs, the passenger IDs and the survived or not. Okay, so for now I'm just need to load the submission. That's what's given to us, submission.csv. You can see in the submission CSV all we have is 0 to 400. There's 418 rows and the passenger IDs. Okay, so the passenger ID here is from 892. Remember the index is a little different here, the AA9 here, but because that's we re-index so many times. Okay, but the sequence is correct from 0 to 417, and this one is from 0 to 417. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is to update it. So what I did was submission. I want to update, add a column called survived, and we use the survived, use the information in here. Okay, DFUL reindex. So here I'm just updating another column, adding a column. Now let's check. It looks like this now, right? So passenger ID and everything. The last step I want to do is to import it. Export to a CSV file. So export it to the submission v2. Okay, let's go take a look at submission v2. I believe it's here. Document Python Kaggle completion Titanic. We have this submission v2. Submission v2. Okay, recently created. Yeah, so that's the passenger ID and survived. Okay, so we are all good. We will submit this. This is, I have went through all the steps until this, the file is ready and uploaded. So again, I mentioned based on the changing of the data analysis and the scaling of the data, even with the same model, we increased our ranking from 13,000 to around 10,000. Okay, the next step I want to do is, because all our previous videos showed the logistics regression, the next thing I want to do is we'll try a different model, use a model called KNN, K nearest neighbor model, to see if this model will give us a better accuracy. Okay, thank you for listening. If you have any comments or questions, please do feel free comment in the video. Okay, thank you.